Yo, YouTube world, can you see me? Am I clear? Am I clear? Can you see me? Okay, okay. Alright, I'm gonna do this Frank Sinatra my way. Gotta kick it real old school right quick, man. So let's get to it. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Friends, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case on which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and I saw it through without exceptions. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, I stood tall and did it my way. I loved, I laughed, I cried. I've had my share of losing. And now, as my tears subside, I find it all amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man, what he has got, if not for himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who lives. Till the record shows I took a blow.